The Küchenprofi Capri 5.5-inch stainless steel non-stick mini skillet is a small but mighty kitchen helper. It's perfect for cooking a single egg, and it heats up quickly. The non-stick surface is like a dream, so your egg slides right out. Plus, the stainless steel bottom ensures even heating on any stovetop, including induction. This Küchenprofi mini non-stick egg pan offers a convenient way to make a quick breakfast or snack. It feels sturdy in your hand, and cleaning it is a breeze because nothing sticks. This little pan is more than just an egg cooker. It's a versatile tool. Imagine making a small pancake or toasting a pinch of nuts. The size is ideal for individual portions, and it won't take up much space in your cabinet. The Küchenprofi mini non-stick egg pan is also induction safe, which is great if you have that type of stove. It's a reliable pan that does exactly what it promises without any fuss. You'll find yourself reaching for this Küchenprofi mini non-stick egg pan again and again. For anyone who loves a perfectly cooked single egg, this pan is a winner. It's well made, easy to use, and simple to clean. While it's designed for one egg, its non-stick ability makes other small cooking tasks easy too. It doesn't have fancy inserts or a heat indicator, but it gets the job done reliably. If you want a dedicated pan for single servings, the Küchenprofi Capri mini skillet is a solid choice. It's a practical addition to any kitchen, and its quality shines through. Pros: simple cleanup, induction safe, stainless steel, durable build, small size. 5.5-inch. Ideal for one egg, lightweight handle, dishwasher safe. Cons: price might be high, non-stick not super slick, needs small spatula, durability is a concern. No lid included, very small size, not for large portions, bottom heat uneven. Coating after 2015? Handle gets hot. Features: 5.5-inch size, stainless steel, induction safe, for one egg, durable build, easy flipping. Lightweight, welded handle. This Küchenprofi Capri mini skillet is a small 5.5-inch pan made of stainless steel with a non-stick coating. Perfect for cooking a single egg. It can be used on any type of stove, even the kind that uses magnets to heat things up. Induction. It's built to last, makes flipping food easy, and doesn't weigh much. The handle is attached strongly by welding. This Küchenprofi Capri mini skillet is a small 5.5-inch pan made of stainless steel with a non-stick coating. Perfect for cooking a single egg and safe to use on induction stovetops. It's designed to be durable and easy to clean in the dishwasher. With a lightweight handle, however, some users have noted that the non-stick surface isn't very slippery. It might need a small spatula, and there are questions about its long-term durability and whether the bottom heats evenly. The pan does not come with a lid. Its small size isn't suitable for large meals, and there are some concerns about the handle getting hot.